Governor Felix Camacho may have signed his revised landfill financing bill into law, but the work is far from over. Camacho tells PNC News it will be a challenge to get lending institutions to loan $20 million for the new Dandan landfill, primarily because of the timing and revisions made to the original version of his measure.
We've lost so much time. To find a local institution or even an off-island institution willing to lend us $20 million in this time is going to be very, very challenging. I have to say that we remain confident we'll be able to secure financing, but the legislature hasn't made it any easier.
Pete Scrow, co-counsel to investment bank Barclays Capital, also agrees with the governor. He believes the original version Camacho submitted to the legislature would have generated competition in the full faith of the government. However, now that the legislature added revisions to subordinate Section 30 money as a secondary backer to the loan, it cannot be used as collateral. Scrow thinks the revised version is misleading and makes no financial sense.
It's basically worthless. There's no way that, in my opinion, that the collateral under that bill provides any value to any lender. And as a taxpayer, and not talking on other hats that I'm wearing, it's very disappointing.
Scrow mentions he already heard from his client and various banking officials on what they think of the terms described in the revised version, and it's not good.
Basically, I've heard from several banks. Also, I've been in communications as well with my client, Barclays Capital. And based on the current language, there's no way that they're going to respond. There'll be no interest. It's just, there's no collateral.
Despite the challenge ahead, Governor Camacho says he has to remain hopeful, but time is running out.
The financial institutions are going to be hard-pressed to come up with $20 million to lend this government at 8% cap. And the second provision of 20 years, again, in this market, I don't think they're going to do that.